Hello, my beautiful collective. I'm a little bit unwell at the moment, so I can't go to work, but I can do a lot of tarot, so I'm happy about that. Oh. So I'm hearing something might go up in smoke. Like someone's just going to explode, and it's going to come out of nowhere. Like it's just going to set a fire up under their ass, and you're not expecting this at all. This could be someone that usually is very stoic. Could be someone that you just wouldn't expect to be dramatic over something, or I'm hearing react instead of respond. Hearing, I don't know why you have to be this way. This could be them saying that, or you could reply with that. But I feel like that's them saying it because they're usually very stoic, I'm hearing. So why would you be saying, I don't know why you have to be this way? Judgment. Queen of Wands. Someone is like being judgmental over the way you behave, and I'm hearing you're a very free spirit. Hearing you might have like was something a bit provocative or entertained like flirty behavior, and someone is not very happy about that because they want to like lock you down or keep you like restricted when it comes to your options as handcuffs. You might be pregnant with someone's child, having a child with someone, or have a child to someone. And they're like really in love with you, and they feel like you've betrayed them by just being like a really attractive, free spirit. I'm getting someone's going to see something when it comes to the way you dress, the way you behave. Yeah, I'm getting you're a very flirty person. I have very nice like physical assets. The Moon and Eight of Swords. Yeah, someone finds you to be like very feminine, and like you can really like go into your feminine energy and get things you desire, and this is keeping someone like really in their head. I'm hearing when you get with someone intimately, they really like find you attractive, but then they start thinking how many other people find this person attractive, like how many other people have seen them like this. But they haven't said this to you. Like this is all like that's their inner feelings that they don't express. Someone may be watching you, like they see how you behave like at public or your social media. Getting when you go out and drink. You might have like friends that behave like this also, and they're trying to blame your friends and like the people you hang out with for the reason you're so okay with certain things. This person feels like you're a bit of like a mirror image of them. However, they don't like that. See, they know what they're like, and if you're like that as well, that makes them feel anxious. It's like you're a rare find, a rare jewel gem, and they would like to like, so there's like a pearl in a clam, and if they could, they would just close the clam shut so that no one can see the beauty within the clam. Hearing someone might be trying to dim your light. Someone might be buying you a necklace. Yeah, someone really just wants to like cover you up. Like if they could, they'd walk around like a pair of sunglasses, I'm hearing. Like if they could just work as a pair of sunglasses on everyone's like face that are looking at you so they can't see how bright you actually shine, then they would. Hearing sabotage, they might try to sabotage friendships and relationships so that other people don't want to be with you, be around you, so that only they get to be around you and with you. Hearing, don't fuck with my divine child. Ten of Pentacles and Page of Swords. Maybe a family member that is, thank you, there may be a family member that isn't really talking to you at the moment because of this as well, with the Ten of Pentacles and Page of Swords. They don't like the attention that you get. I don't think that this is necessarily bad, though. I'm hearing they want you to be healthier mentally and physically. I'm hearing safe. But you may find that this family member is someone that's like family, like you don't hear from them much at the moment, or just whenever you do talk, it's very minimal. Eight of Cups. Someone may get a bit like physical with you, like grab your wrist or your arm. Hearing someone say, don't touch me. Someone maybe, I'm hearing the word prickly. So someone might feel like you're being a bit like, imagine trying to touch something like prickly and you go to put your hand around it and obviously that's going to really hurt. So you might have said something to someone that really hurt them and they don't want to like talk too much at the moment with the minimal communication. But they also don't want to like leave you out in the cold completely. It's going to have something to do with drinking or eating. This might happen when you're out to eat or having a drink with someone. Hearing something to do with fruit is very important. Nine of Cups, the Devil, Death. Someone's going to come towards you with a love offer that you're going to refuse because you find them to be quite a negative person. You do like to be intimate with them though, or to like cuddle up with them. But you find that they're too, like they're obsessing over like their masculinity, their manhood, like what will make them look good, and you don't like that. So unless there's a severe transformation, you would rather just end that situation and have a rebirth in yourself and start something new elsewhere. This person coming towards you is also very obsessed with you. I'm hearing unhealthily. And you feel like you're going to have to cut them down or defend yourself. I'm hearing not knife in the back, but saying about like, so it's not as bad as someone stabbing you in the back because it's grabbing a prickle, or it's someone like cutting down your back with their nails. And to me, that's insinuating that they're betraying and hurting you, but not to an extent where it's like killing you, or like you wouldn't call it a big betrayal like getting stabbed in the back.